Morning gang, we are on day 6 of the Advent. So yesterday's went well. That is actually going up today when I'm filming this, but this one should hopefully go up on Saturday. And that one went well, so I'm back on track, you know. After that gingerbread cake I was feeling a bit deflated, because when you bake cakes on a regular basis and then one turns out looking that horrific, what could you possibly think? But we're back on a roll now, and I also feel like just looking at this one, it should be an easy one, fingers crossed. So this is the chocolate and hazelnut thumbprint biscuits, lovely little button biscuits basically. So it makes 6. All we need, which I don't have in front of me, but we need some soft salted butter, so I'm gonna get out the fridge to soften, because I'm probably gonna make this a little bit later. And then we need milk to add. It comes with everything else you need. So it comes with the flour and caster sugar in here, and that is your biscuit mix. And then you get some chopped hazelnuts, like so, in a little bag. And then you also, which is a very good idea, you get a little Nutella pot, but it's just so snazzy that it comes in like a pot like this, so they don't have to like decant it when they're making these recipes. Like, they can just send you a little pot. Love that. So smart. So yeah, it makes 6, so I need to obviously make the dough and then divide it into 6. You have to chill them for 20 minutes before putting them in the oven, and then they bake for 12 to 15. You put the Nutella on and the sprinkles last. Again, it's like with the chocolate orange ones, I was thinking that you put that on before you put them in the oven, but then it would all melt. So yeah, that is what we're making today. So I'll give you a little update and a taste test later as to whether it turned out good. But yeah, I've got a half day today, very happy about that. So yeah, we'll be baking this probably lunchtime. Right, day 6, let's go. Right, that was easy enough. So we're going to shove them in the oven. They need to be chilled for 20 minutes. So I'm going to jump in the shower anyway, so this actually works quite well. So I'll shove them in the fridge, they'll cool for 20 minutes, and then I'm already oh my god, preheating the oven. God, it's been a long day. Preheating the oven to 160, and then you'll bake for 12 to 15 minutes. So yeah, shove them in the fridge now, and then I can go and have a shower. Right gang, oh, that's a bit low, isn't it? Excuse the fit, just got out of the shower. What are they called? I'll put the thing away now. The chocolate hazelnut thumbprint biscuits turned out like the picture, so we love that for me. They've cooled down enough that I can do a taste test because I want to go to bed. But this is how they look. Oh, peep the Christmassy nails for the gals. I don't know if you can tell, but they're glittery red. Anyway, we're gonna do a taste test. I'm not actually a big fan of like nuts in general, like actual nuts. Nutella, don't mind, but obviously it's got actual hazelnuts on it, so I've picked the one with the least amount on it so that I don't have to eat too many. So let's see what these taste like. Smells banging. They're actually quite good. They're kind of like a sugar cookie, but they're not a sugar cookie, if that makes sense. Like that's the type of dough it is. And then obviously you've just got the little hazelnut spread which kind of pulls it all together, otherwise it would be a bit boring. When I baked them, they did lose their thumbprint where they rose, but actually they were soft enough when I took them out to just repress that in, and then obviously the mix can go in the middle of that. So yeah, they're actually quite tasty, and because they're little, it's like a little snack that you can have, you know. It doesn't feel like too much, whereas some of the others like the cookies and stuff, they are quite big, so I wouldn't be able to have it all in one serving. Whereas that is like a nice little biscuit. So yeah, that is day 6. I'm gonna take a guess that tomorrow is, I'm gonna say tomorrow's a cake, but that's a maybe. Either a cake or a cookie, because I don't think it's going to be a biscuit, because we have biscuits today. So let's see if I'm right. But yeah, I am off to bed now, and I will see you for day 7. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you tomorrow.